Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Lion 20 by 40 inch lathe, 4-way tool post, 3-jaw chuck, steady rest, Jacobs ball bearing super chuck, that's a Morse taper number 5, tailstock, that thing looks like a number 4 with a sleeve on it. There's a follow rest. There's the coolant pump. I don't have the bottom of the pan, but they always rust out anyway, so you're better off just standing on a plastic, like concrete tub you could get in Home Depot. At least it won't rot out on you. Chart's very readable. The ways are in pretty good shape. There's one little mark here, like someone dragged something on it, but there's no wear on the ways. There's a taper attachment, but it's not complete. It's missing the top bar, I believe. I don't know, never really looked into it, but it's, if nothing else, it's at least missing the clamp bar. Maybe it doesn't, maybe the top bar is under here, I really don't know, but I would just figure the taper is not 100% there. We'll run the machine for you. Like I said, there's different ranges, color ranges here. Blue, red, and yellow. The blue and yellow run fine. It's only in the red range that it makes noise. Like I said, if we don't find a broken tooth, it's just some imperfection on the tooth as far as I can see. So this, it has to be wired so you push down and the chuck turns toward you. Otherwise the rapids don't work. There. Feeding out. Feeding in. There's your rapid out in. Rapid out. There's your carriage feed. There's your rapid. Stop. Okay, let's see. Change at rest. I don't know if that means off or what. I don't know if there's a brake. I'm not real familiar with these machines. Talk about a brake. It is a gap bed, and the gap's in it at the moment. Some people take them out. I don't. Okay, so I always have to shut it off and change it. I don't know if that's normal, but it's not at a complete stop. I don't know if it's a brake adjustment, or if there is a brake, or what the story is. I'm not quite sure what speed range it is.
It's pretty high.
Okay, this is the blue range. Even though, like I said, this doesn't perfectly line up with the chart. I don't know whether something's out of alignment of that. Okay, so now let's go to the yellow range. Yellow range. Slow speed range. I'm not quite sure where this lines up, but this is slow speeds. I guess as long as it's stopped and not coasting, you can shift. Okay, so now we'll put it in the red range. That's the range that I'm getting some noise. See, that one I have to have it stopped in order to shift it. Okay. This is the, okay, now. Huh, no noise maybe I don't have something shifted in the right spot, but this is the speed of where I was finding noise. You know, you hear that tick, 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 tick? There's a little gear down here. That's where the noise is coming from as far as I can see. Let's kick the speed up a little bit. See, as soon as, I don't know why it's not coming to a complete stop there. Why I can shift in some of the speeds and not in others, I'm not sure. It's still kind of slow. Let's get it to one of the faster speeds and then you'll hear it a lot louder. Not that, let's see. Unless I'm missing something, like I said, I don't see a broken tooth. But maybe I missed one, I can't say for certain. But as long as you're out of that range, like I said, this dial for some reason isn't lining up, whether something's out of alignment on the handle or what, I couldn't tell you. I don't quite understand how I'm shifting and I don't have the book. See, blue almost lines up, yellow is past yellow when it lines up, and red is past red when it lines up. So why that is, I don't know. You could feel it falling into the gear. Blue and yellow though, they seem to work just fine. There you have it. You can check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.